and Development, the Director General of the Department of State Services, DSS, Mr. Naija, has advocated for a policy that mandates the recruitment of first-class graduates into the intelligence agency. During the 2025 Distinguished Personality Lecture at the University of Ilorin, Ajayi emphasized the need to attract the brightest mind to the DSS to enhance national security. He called for a paradigm shift in recruitment practices, drawing a parallel to Israel's selective university admission system, represented by Deputy Director Mr. Patrick Ikewewe. The DG highlighted the need to change public perception of security agencies, which are often viewed as adversaries rather than allies. He stressed that such negative perceptions hinder effective intelligence gathering and impede national integration. He said, "Like I know, in Israel, there is one examination that students take to get admission into the university. The moment you score above 70 marks, you have no option but to be sent to the university then. Tell me, how would a Dundee, who we refer to as Dollar, be able to keep security in a criminal gang that is constituted of first-class people? You know, it takes intellect to trap criminality." For more news updates and exclusive videos, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.